What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? What's up, guys? Welcome. I'm TonyaNicole, and today it's Friday. We have BoxyCharm's base box and a margarita. So if y'all want to see what's in my April's base box and drink a little margarita with your girl, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on BoxyCharm and their spoilers. What's up, guys? It's Friday, so I hope y'all are ready to have a good time and party with your girl. Y'all already know who the host is. It's none other than TonyaNicole herself. Today, boo, we got a little margarita because it's the weekend, baby, and we quarantine. What else are we gonna do? I mean, really? And we have BoxyCharm base box. Now, I'm not feeling BoxyCharm right now. I am really upset about my premium box. If you guys did not see that video from Wednesday, I will put it down below in the description. Check it out and let me know your thoughts on it. I'm hoping that the base box redeems itself. I did see a picture of some spoilers, and I hope that I got something good, at least a palette in this box. Y'all know my account was locked and I couldn't pick a product for April's base box or the premium box. So yeah, we saw in the premium box how that went for me, and it just wasn't good. So I'm hoping the base box is better than the premium box. Before I get into the specs and all of that, I want to say a big welcome to all of my new subscribers. I noticed that we hit the 2,500 mark, guys. I'm so excited for that. Once all of this corona is over, we're going to do a giveaway. But right now, I just don't feel comfortable shipping people things because, you know, you just never know. So once all of this settles down some, we're going to do a giveaway. But I do want to say welcome to all of my new subscribers and commenters. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you greatly. And we also want to give a big shout out to my 5 first commenters from my Wednesday's video. Thank you tremendously for waking up early and rocking with your girl. I appreciate you guys. You know, I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 8 a.m. Central Standard Time, and the occasional Saturday upload. So let's get into the specs and let's unbox it. But y'all know what we need first. A dance break and a drink break. Cheers. Okay, guys, so the base box is this one right here. It's $25 a month. You get 5 full-size products in here. As I told you, they let you pick a product each month, like the month before. I think the choice date for this is Friday, the 16th. Whenever the 16th is, I'll make all of those corrections down below. But if you do want to subscribe to this box, I also have a link, and the value is supposed to be around $125. So let's see what we got, y'all. BoxyCharm just hasn't been real good to me lately, so let's hope for the best. Got my scissors. Let's cut this baby open. All right, guys, let's open her up. Every month, girl, every month BoxyCharm comes with a card, and the theme for the month is festival vibes right here, guys. And I have a variation number 18. And I told you guys in the premium box, BoxyCharm is just becoming like a mystery box to me now because they have so many variations. What y'all think? I think it's just like a mystery. You never know what you're gonna get, which is fun. But if they don't follow the profile, can be like, not so good. They give you a list of all of the products as well as the prices. Y'all know we're gonna put them down below. And oh, they also give us some spoilers for June's Luxe box right there. Let me know what y'all think about those. We're just gonna pull from the box blindly, guys. First up, I am seeing the original makeup eraser. And this erases all makeup with just water, contains 1 makeup eraser cloth, is antibacterial, reusable, lasts 3 to 5 years, great for sensitive skin, and saves money because they don't want us using makeup wipes anymore. So this is what it looks like. I know you're supposed to wash this first before you use it, and I'm going to take it out and look at it. All right, it comes with a little paper here, and it's this pretty rainbow design right there. So this is our first product. It does feel very, very, very soft. Yeah, it's a makeup eraser. So this retails, guys, for $22. Next up, I am seeing the Fessional Pore Primer from Benefit. This is what the outside packaging is looking like, my loves. And this is a smoothing face primer to minimize the look of pores. And they did have a variation on this one. It was either the original one or the new hydrating one. And on my profile, I did mark oily combination skin. So they did send me the right one. I'm so excited. And in here, you get 0.75 fluid ounces of product. And this is a primer that shrinks your pores. And, oh, it's a lot smaller than I thought. This is what the tube looks like right here, guys. And I do have some pores in this area here, so I can use it like on my T-zone. So I am excited to get this, and let's see what this retails for. And this is the Benefit Cosmetics Professional Face Primer, and it retails for $32. Okay, let's take a dance break and a drink break because I'm aggravated. Next up, we have from Iconic London, and this is the Illuminator in the shade Original. That's what the outside packaging looks like, guys. I am gonna swatch this one and show you guys what it looks like on my skin. They had a lot of variations of this product, but so far I've only seen the original one unboxed, so I don't know. But that's what it looks like on my skin tone, and when I swipe it out, that's how it looks right there, guys. So it's a nice illuminator highlighter. I usually don't wear these, but I mean, I'll try it out and see, you know. I will just try it. It does look pretty on the skin. A little bit goes a long way. So let's see what this retails for, guys. And this is the Iconic London Illuminator in the shade Original, and it retails for $41. Never. I would never pay that for this, ever. Next up, we have this 5-piece brush set from Lavish. Let's open it up and see. Y'all know I love getting brushes. Gosh. BoxyCharm, BoxyCharm, BoxyCharm. And these are what the brushes look like, guys. I do like that it is like a variety of colors. They're very pretty. This one is dual-sided with a spoolie and a brow brush there. And you have a blending brush, a shader brush, looks like an eyeliner, and a inner corner brush. So, okay, okay. And let's see what they retail for. And these are the Lavish 5-piece neon eye brush collection, and it retails for $29.99. Ooh, girl, BoxyCharm is, oh, okay. Last up, we have from Elemis, and this is the Superfood Something Calming Cleansing Foam, and it has micellar, it's a micellar cleanser, and that's what the bottle looks like. And you get 6 ounces of product. Ooh, in this bottle. It is a big bottle. It does come with a pump, and it is a foam cleanser, so I won't squirt it out because I am using a cleanser right now, so I'll just save this one. And this says on here, it's a unique foaming cleanser. It's packed with nourishing superfoods to help calm and hydrate the skin while lifting makeup dirt and grime. It's a soothing formula that helps to comfort skin caused by dehydration and leaves skin with a fresh looking complexion. And this retails for $32, guys. Okay, my loves, that was my final product in this month's BoxyCharm base box. We're going to do a quick recap, final thoughts, and we're going to be done. So we received from Elemis the Superfood Calming Cleansing Foam, from Lavish these 5-piece eye brush set, from Iconic London these Illuminator drops, from Benefit Cosmetics the Fessional Pore Primer, and the makeup eraser right here. So these 5 products right here. Final thoughts is, I am just not understanding at all what's going on with BoxyCharm. Like, I didn't get a single palette this month, not in my premium box, not in my base box. On my profile, I redid the beauty quiz to ensure that I get more makeup. products. I don't know what the hell this box was this month. It was just a total, utter mess. I'm not excited about any of the products. The only thing that I am excited to try out is the Fessional primer. Other than that, I know Elemis is a good brand. Did I tell y'all what this retails for? I think I did. $32. I don't remember if I did or didn't. The brushes are okay, very basic brushes, like something that I would expect to, I don't know. The makeup eraser, these illuminator drops for $41. Like, I think it's price inflation and lies. The spoilers that I seen for this month, it was like you can choose from one of 10 palettes. I mean, why didn't everybody get a palette? I don't like this box. Again, this is my own personal opinion, guys. I pay for these boxes myself every month. Some people may love this box, but TonyaNicole, this is just not a good month at all for BoxyCharm. And honestly, I want to throw the whole damn company to the garbage because I think it's a lot of false advertising with BoxyCharm. They just have so many variations that it's like, really, what am I really paying for? So I don't know. I'm gonna have to I know for sure that I'm gonna be canceling the premium box for a few months, and I don't know, but I just need to give BoxyCharm some time to think about their actions, you know? But if I had to rate this box on a scale of 1, this box is garbage. That's a damn river! To 5 businessboxesthebomb.com, you know what I'm saying, boo? We're going to throw it to the river and give it a 1. I was not happy at all with my box, and I am just like kind of fed up with BoxyCharm. I really am, guys. Y'all let me know what y'all got in y'all box. Let me know what you think about the products I received in my box. Where is the makeup? Where is the makeup? This is like a cheap, I don't know. It's just, BoxyCharm is just so comfortable. And since they introduced the premium box, they have like gone to hell. It's just not, I don't know if it's even worth it anymore. Like, I'm just so sick of complaining about BoxyCharm and these just take my money. I don't know. But yes, guys, that's all that I have. Y'all let me know in the comments down below what your thoughts are. Yeah, I don't know, y'all, if I'm going to continue to do this. I know for sure that the premium box is going to be paused for a few months, and I'm just not going to, I don't know, but I can't cancel the base box because then I won't get the luxe box. But I saw some of the spoilers for that, and they have a Kylie Cosmetics cleanser in there that I really don't want, but we could just add it to the giveaway, right? Yes. So, yes, that's all that I have. If you have not done so already, please subscribe to your girl. Please, please, please. I would greatly appreciate it. Our numbers are growing, guys, and I'm so happy to see it. Make sure you follow me on Instagram because I do a lot of polls there to see what you guys want to see for the week, as well as on my YouTube community tab. So make sure you guys check that, have your notification bells on. And yes, my loves, that's all that I have. I'm so sad that BoxyCharm was so disappointing for me this month. I mean, it really sucked major, like major. So let me know your thoughts. I'm going to go off now and I don't know, do whatever. But you guys, I will see you all in the comments down below and on my next video. I love you guys dearly. Cheers, guys. Enjoy your weekend. Have fun. Remember to still practice social distancing. Wash your hands. Wear your mask when you go out. And just stay home for right now till this shit passes over, you know? Yeah, so we can all get back to our everyday lives, you know? Yes. All right, my loves. Bye.